Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to crochet a scarf. This design is suitable for a warm climate, so it can be used in autumn and spring. This project is just 2 row repeat, so it is easy for beginners. You can finish it in a day. It is great for a small gift. I hope you like and enjoy this tutorial, and if you want to support this channel, the written pattern is available in the link down below. So let's get started. In this project, you need a chunky yarn, 5mm crochet hook, stitch markers, needles, and scissors. Let's begin. First, do a slip knot. Chain 18. Now we're gonna crochet into a back bump. Skip one and do a single crochet. Mark the first stitch. Now chain 3. Skip 3 stitches and single crochet in the first stitch. Repeat this 4 times. 1, 2, 3. Skip 3 and single crochet. 2 and 1, 2, 3. Skip 3, 1, 2, 3. Single crochet. 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And single crochet. Row 1 finished. Now in row 2, we begin with 3 chain. 1, 2, 3. Turn your work. Double crochet into the first stitch. Now we will do 3 double crochet into the single crochet that we made in the previous row. 1, 2, and 3. Repeat this 3 times. 1, 2, and 3. Last one. 1, 2, and 3. Now 2 double crochet into the last stitch. 1 and 2. So row 2 finished. Row 3. 1 chain, turn your work, and 1 single crochet. chain 3, 1, 2, 3, skip 2 and back post single crochet into the middle of the DC cluster. Repeat this 3 times. 1 time, 1, 2, 3. Two times, 1, 2, and 3. Three times. Chain 3 and single crochet into the last stitch. Row finish. Row 4 is similar to row 2, so begin with 3 chain, turn your work, and 1 double crochet into the first stitch. Then 3 double crochet into the single crochet of the previous row. 1, 2, and 3. Repeat this 3 times. Now 2 double crochet into the last stitch to finish the row. 1, 2. So row 4 finished. Now you just repeat the process until you finish at least 71 rows. 1 chain to secure the yarn and leave about 30 centimeters for seam. Count 11 rows of double crochet from the top. Fold and sew them together. hope you like this tutorial. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.